is going on, everyone? Moto Marine checking in. We are headed over to First Capital Harley Davidson this morning to get a chance to ride the LiveWire. I'm really excited for this. I've always wanted to test drive this, or test ride it, ever since I heard about it coming out, and none of the dealers around me were on the first wave of the LiveWire sales. So found out a few months back that my friend Amy up here at First Capital is the LiveWire sales consultant up here, and she has invited me up to take a spin on this. So very excited for this, and get to know a little bit more about this bike. So if you ever want to know where your Harley Davidsons are made, they are made right back there at the York Harley Davidson plant for all you touring model and baggers riders out there. That's where the bikes are made, right in my backyard. Alright guys, so here is the LiveWire. Holy crap, this thing is freaking quick. This is strange. But man, I'm digging this so far. Put my shield down here. Don't want to wreck it. Trying to keep all points of contact on this thing. Looks like right now I have it in the sport mode. Alright, here we go. Wow, I am definitely impressed with this. Whew. You just have to flick your wrist and this thing takes off. You don't even really have to use the brakes all too much either with the engine braking. Well, we're going to take it up to the Harley plant here. Going for the clutch. There's no clutch! I want to get a picture of this up at the Harley plant, man. This is freaking awesome! You have a little bit of a vibration in your butt just to know that the bike is still running. It's always a good thing. Yeah, I'm going to take this up and I'm going to park it right in front of that Harley Davidson bar and shield there and get some pictures. Damn, this light cycle sucks here. Put this kickstand down here real quick. Jump off. Try to get a few quick pictures. Ugh. This thing is beautiful. Alright, let's get back on this. Take it up around the plant. Oh, it shuts off. Put the kickstand down. Interesting. Get some more pictures here. Holy crap, this thing is really fun. Guys, you gotta get out and at least ride this thing. Even if you are a true skeptic of electric motorcycles, electric cars, anything, get out and ride this thing. This thing is amazing. Alright, we're going to take it on a little tour of some back roads here. Oh my god, this is instant power. Instant power. Now, I'm not used to riding without some sort of windshield or anything, but oh my gosh, this is fun. I am loving this. Let's try it out in the Econ mode just to see how this thing rolls. Even with a little bit of torque reduction, this thing is still a freaking monster. Yeah. I tell you, Harley did something that is putting a smile on my face, man. This thing is freaking fun. I could definitely see myself getting one of these in the future. Just to have as a second bike to roll around town, go to work in. I don't even care if I don't have music right now. It's freaking amazing. So Amy was telling me that each dealership is actually getting paid for every test ride on their LiveWire. So if you guys have a dealership nearby, get out to them quickly. Ride this thing. This thing is amazing. It is so fun. I'm only cruising around at 40 miles an hour, but man, this thing is fun. Very nimble. The tank, which isn't really a tank, has very comfortable size. They're padded here where your legs are tucked in at. The fit and finish looks amazing on this too. So she was telling me with the engine braking, it also recharges the battery along with the regenerative braking setup too, which is pretty cool. It was like you're on the throttle and then you're off the throttle just like that, and it's slowing you down. This thing is amazing. I am thoroughly impressed with it. I want to try to get a true 0 to 60 on this. Harley says it's like 2 seconds or something like that. I don't know. 2-3 seconds. I'm going to try to get a true 0 to 60 right here. Alright, here we go. Now, it's probably a little bit longer than 0 to 60 than the 2 seconds. Probably one of the reasons why I have it in econ mode, dummy. Gonna bang a left here and get back to the dealership because I don't want to get yelled at. Alright, I'm gonna do 0 to 60 here in sport. Alright, sport mode 0 to 60. Here we go. Now, alright, so sport mode, you definitely don't get the engine braking as much. Well, now it's in rain mode. Maybe I had it in rain mode there and didn't even realize it. That feels a little bit more torqueier. Maybe I did have it in rain mode. Gosh. This thing is so fun. Absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't say enough about it. Past these guys. Holy crap, I am digging this bike, man. Guys, please get out to your local Harley dealer that is selling these LiveWires. It is amazing. They are fun, and you never know, you might just pick one up yourself. But I'm gonna cut it out here and say thanks for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you that tuned in. Make sure you go see your local Harley dealer, test ride the LiveWire, and if you're in the York, Lancaster area, come on out, see Amy here at First Capital Harley Davidson. Thank you so much, guys. Remember, get out and ride.